Best free video AI generators for TikTok, YouTube, and more. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we'll be going over some of the top AI generated video creators that I have found. These amazing platforms are going to enable you to smooth out your content creation for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and other social media platforms. You don't need to pay, 50 different people to create, edit, monitor, and upload your videos. Instead, you can do all of that with a simple AI, and I have a large list and a large collection for you guys to choose from. So let's get into it. Now, today, this list is not numbered in any particular fashion, these are just randomly numbered. But number one, we have Synthesia. So, Synthesia is actually a platform that has different kinds of AI generated people or AI generated images as well as people, and you can create videos with a person engaging in any kind of conversation, whatever your script is. A person will appear saying that script. You can see that they have AI avatars, AI voices, multiple different templates, and custom AI avatars that you can create. So you have multiple different templates to pick out from, you have multiple different faces to pick out from as well, and you have AI voices with your own AI avatar. So you can create your own avatar and start creating something that is more custom to you. If you want to do that, that is totally up to you. You have multiple different use cases, including training videos, how-to videos, product marketing, as well as educational videos, developmental videos, so on and so forth. In terms of pricing, now for pricing you get a free trial, and if you want to start with 10 video credits where you can convert 10 videos with access to over 120 languages, it starts at $30 per month. So you can create a couple of free videos that is totally available for free. So you can create 5 videos every month for free as well, so you don't really have to worry about that, and you have quite a large gallery of avatars that you can jumble around and create multiple different kinds of videos from your singular trial. Now, moving on to our next AI video creator, we have Lumen 5. So Lumen 5 is an amazing video creation platform that has a large customizable video editing software as well as video template creation. So they have a bunch of different templates that you can pick out from. They have royalty-free video content available. They have a simple drag and drop style editor with access to multiple different media contents, and you can create a video off of a template and automate the entire process. Now, this does not have AI voices, but you can create engaging videos with that and use a AI voice generator separately. Plus, they also have blogs to videos features. So if you are writing a blog, you can transform your blog post within minutes into a actual video and then just use a AI voice to talk about it as well. Now, moving on to our next AI generating a video platform, we have Runway ML. So Runway is a free-to-use browser platform that enables you to edit your videos and create images, create products with quite a large creative capability. So you guys can see that you have a basic platform, so you can create audio, you can create video, but they have a super interactive and collaborative mode. You can go and sign up to Runway for free. They have a very simple sign up process. You can sign up within seconds, and you guys will actually see that it's not just a video creation platform, it's a video editing platform, it's a content creation platform. Not only can you create basic things such as videos for Instagram or YouTube, but you can create educational courses, and you can click on video composition. You have magic tools such as green screen, in painting, motion tracking, and you have quite a large creative liberty to use their demo assets, select the different things that you can do. You can really build a very different content than what you have from these AI tools. You can really cut and crop the content accurately to fit your current script. So definitely for more complex editors, for people that are looking for a lot more customization within their AI generated videos or customization within their automated videos, I definitely do recommend Runway as the app. It allows you to edit in quite a large capacity and can enable you to make it look and appear as smooth as you want. Now, moving on to our next platform, we have Raw Shorts. So, Raw Shorts is more for the basic editor. They have AI video makers. You just put in your script and the AI will do the job for you. It can convert your text into video or convert your blog post into a video. It is simple and easy. You can paste your script and get a video within seconds. You know, a very, very large directory of stock videos available, and that is what they use to their power. This is especially good for creating videos that are listicle types. Listicle type videos are super easy to create on this because, you know, you just need a basic stock footage on the background of those. You really don't need to create, you know, super curated content for those kinds of videos. So I definitely do recommend it for that specific use case very highly. And you also can create spreadsheets into videos with their templates as well. You can automate your video marketing with spreadsheets, and this is quite a interesting feature that you're not going to find on any other kind of video creation platform. And in terms of pricing, now with pricing, you have a free trial. You can create five non-premium exports. You have a 480p resolution on the free version, which is quite low. But if you want to get the best value, you can start at $20 per month. If you like the free version and you feel like you want to invest in this, you can pay $20 once and have your entire video creation process automated, which I do not think is a bad price at all. Now, moving on to our next platform, we have Designs AI. Designs AI is amazing not only for video creation for YouTube, but all kinds of interactive content for your business. They have graphic makers, color matchers, font pairers, calendar creators, and it really is a platform that is a all-in-one, and you can create videos. If you go into the video creation platform, you have access to a drag and drop editor. You can create a video from their templates. You can convert your text to video, as well as upload your own media and use that to create your videos as well. Now, moving on to the one paid item that I have in this list today, that is Adobe Sensei. Now, this is a paid version, obviously. If you're using Adobe to edit your videos, Adobe Premiere Pro, which is most commonly used by a lot of editors, definitely do look into investing in Sensei. It is a powerful AI, but for beginners, for people that are just starting out, I don't recommend it simply because it's a powerful tool, and if you're not able to use the tool to its potential, then it's not going to be worthwhile the money for you. But for people that are already using AI and for people that are already using Adobe and their video editor, you can only enhance your experience with this AI. Now, moving on to our next video creating platform, we have FlexClip. Now, FlexClip is another platform with a very large directory of royalty-free images and templates. And this is one of their really strong suits in terms of finding the randomest image. I could have the randomest script and I could find a video for that with their platform. So that is something that I really love about using FlexClip, and they have so many different creative templates that I really don't have to constantly find something that is matching with my specific style. I can always find it over here. Now, moving on to our next platform, we have Eli.ao. So this is a full-on automated platform where you have a presenter, we have a camera studio, a green screen, all with their platform. It's simple and it's pretty similar to Synthesia. I would put them in the same bracket, and you can also create your custom avatar. You have a selfie avatar you can use, and they charge money for that, but you can just use one of their pre-existing avatars to create the videos as well. You can convert your articles, blogs, anything into videos, and you have multiple different options such as text to videos, multiple different languages as well. And the best part about Eli is that not any of these other platforms don't do that, but Eli actually enables you to translate your scripts as well. So they're going to translate it and convert it into a different language and create a video for that as well. So which I find to be a exceptional feature in all of these video creation platforms. Now, moving on to our second last for today, we have Wave Video. Wave is another great platform. It has a drag and drop editor. It's simple, easy to use, although I do recommend this more for video editing more than creating videos from scratch, but it still is an amazing platform that can highly increase the usability of your videos, the how you can really make them more interactive, make them more scaled up. Now, moving on to our last platform for today, we have Pictory. So Pictory makes video creation super simple. Copy and paste your script, and that is it. So Pictory copies and pastes. You can use, a basic script. You can translate that script and have it in multiple different languages, and it is available for free. So it's an amazing way to create videos, and for any kind of language that you're creating, Pictory can create that. They have multiple different languages as well. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.